Have a quick walk around of the entrance, so where you insert the product on the front end and on the back end. So we're going to show you the height and the measurement of what it is. As you can see, this is the front here. Okay, and just so you know, when the product goes in there, the belt is flexible, so it can go low. So I'm pressing down. Alright, so that's what it looks like there. Now I'm going to take you to the back and show you how the product exits. Alright, so we're going to show you the height, and so that's it there, around 4 inches. You can see the rollers being compressed there. This is adjustable from 3 millimeters to 30 millimeters high. Okay, there's the measuring tool there. Right now it's set to 1. And I'm going to open up the top here so you can see what it looks like. There's the belt, there's the roller. So over here is one of the main rollers, and over here is one of the largest rollers here. And just a quick peek on the inside there, you're looking at the other 3 rollers inside. So there's another 3 inside here, plus, is it 3 or 4? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4 rollers, excuse me. So 4 rollers of the same size here. Then you got a main one here and another big giant roller here on the back. So hopefully that gives you a little bit insight of the machine. Of course, if you want to adjust the height of the machine, you will adjust by these knobs, these nuts here on both sides and over here. Okay, and then you can adjust the machine accordingly. You have the lever here on this side as well in order to lift once these nuts are opened up. So over here at the bottom of the machine, you'll also see that there's rollers on the bottom as they are compressing. So you have another 5 rollers. Each nut here represents a roller, right? And that's how it looks on the bottom of the machine. And you have the main roller here, as I talked about. Then you have a couple of rollers here, all these nuts, 4, and you have the big one, and again you have all the other rollers at the very bottom where they press against each other.